Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Studio. In this reel, we'll reveal the key elements to make your content go viral. Let's get started. Your title is your first impression. Keep it short, catchy, and relevant. Here are some examples: 10 life hacks for success, unbelievable travel destinations, or epic fail compilation. Tags help people find your content. Choose specific tags for your video. If your video is about cooking, use tags like cooking tips, recipes, and foodie. Keywords are the secret sauce. Find trendy words in your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally in your video title, description, and tags. Remember, the title, tags, and keywords are your viral shortcuts. Use them wisely and watch your content spread like wildfire. That's a wrap on viral shorts title, tags, and keyword secrets. Thanks for watching, and may your content go viral.